In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the microphone in Google Docs. This is a handy tool if you want to dictate your text instead of typing it, and it's especially useful for longer documents or if you just prefer speaking over typing. To get started, make sure you're using a supported browser like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Safari, since these work best with Google Docs. Now, let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to open your Google Docs document in one of these browsers. Once you're in the document, look up to the menu bar at the top of your screen. Here, you'll find the Tools option. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Voice Typing. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can activate this feature by pressing Ctrl+Shift+S on a Windows computer or Command+Shift+S on a Mac. After you've selected voice typing, you'll notice a microphone icon popping up on your screen. This little icon indicates that the voice typing tool is ready to be used. To get started with audio input, you'll need to click on the microphone icon. It will begin listening for your voice so you can start speaking and watch your words appear in the document. It's important to note that the first time you use voice typing, your browser will likely ask for permission to access your microphone. This is a standard security feature to keep your device safe and secure. When prompted, click the Allow button to grant Google Docs permission to use your microphone. Don't worry, you only have to do this once, and then you'll be all set to use voice typing whenever you need. These steps should have you well on your way to dictating your documents efficiently. Remember, voice typing can be a fantastic time saver, especially for those who think aloud better than they type. It's worth mentioning that your microphone may pick up background noise, so aiming for a quiet environment can enhance accuracy. And if the feature doesn't catch something correctly, you can always go back and make edits with your keyboard. Using Google Docs with voice typing can transform the way you work with text, but it can take a bit of practice to get comfortable. Start with shorter sentences and gradually move on to more complex passages. With these straightforward steps, you're now equipped to utilize this feature to its fullest potential and make your document creation process more dynamic and enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and happy dictating.